women's 100 meters, T37, and one of our great champions, Mandy FRANCOIS-ELIE of France, goes in this. So McLaughlin of Great Britain in 2, SAPOZHNIKOVA of Russia in 3, FRANCOIS-ELIE of France in 4, FEKOLINA Russia 5, Benson Namibia 6, FOERDER of Germany in 7, and CAO of China in lane 8. FRANCOIS-ELIE, gold medals in the last 3 major championships. And away at the first time of asking. Benson also 3 major championship medals, including gold in the 200 at London 2012. But here comes Mandy FRANCOIS-ELIE, the great champion she is, coming through to win. SAPOZHNIKOVA second, McLaughlin third, and 13.89 is the winning time. And that's very close to the season's best, and that obviously the unofficial time. But what a good result for FRANCOIS-ELIE, putting down the marker very well. And SAPOZHNIKOVA in second place for Russia, McLaughlin third for Great Britain. 13.87 is the confirmed official winning time for FRANCOIS-ELIE, and that, Evan, is only 0.06 of a second outside of season's best, and Mandy FRANCOIS-ELIE looks in really good form. 13.87 the winning time. SAPOZHNIKOVA second for Russia, 14.20, and McLaughlin third for Great Britain, 14.40. Benson in fourth, 14.70 is the target for everyone else.